Hi everyone, my name is Xavier Lawrence Ian. I am the CEO and the founder of the SLI Resource. Now, what is SLI Resources? SLI Resource stands for Science, Technology, Limpid Innovators. Now, we carry out scientific research, technological research, and we make them clear for innovations. That's what the thing means. And our motto is just we light up the future. And we have come up with amazing products, which is the Hydrolynk. We still have more. We have the rechargeable whiteboard with automatic eraser. We have the infrared blaster. We have the water level indicator. But the main product we have right now and that has solved the society need a whole lot is this Hydrolynk. Let me talk about Hydrolynk. Are you suffering of water wastage? Just imagine you left your home without turning off your pump at the from the control box. You came back. When you came back, the whole compound was flooded with water. Now, I have a solution for that. Imagine going for seminars, you're going to anywhere, then you came back, you see that the whole place, the whole compound is being flooded with water. There is a solution for it. Now, I'm introducing Hydrolynk to you. What is Hydrolynk? I've been posting about Hydrolynk here and there, and I think this is the right time for me to introduce Hydrolynk. And this is just the Hydrolynk, how it looks like. This is the Hydrolynk. Now, this is the probe. This is the probe. This is the engine. This is the floater. And the floater comes with a sensor that senses the water level also. So now, since we don't have tank here, I will show you the concept, how everything works. This, we have the live wire and the neutral wire. Electrical engineers will understand what I'm trying to say. So I want to use LED. This is LED. This is the LED wire, the positive and the negative. This is USB for power bank because I'm using power bank to show you the concept, how this thing works, and show you that the thing can work. You understand? Now, first of all, I will test if my LED is working. So I will just insert this, make some connections. Can you see? You take the black, the positive, the negative to the negative, and the positive to the positive, so that the whole thing. Now, I fix it and everything is working. Can you see? Can you see that it's working? The light is off. Can you see how bright it is? Now, so I'll just remove only one terminal from each other and then add this. This works with the principle of open and close system with the sensor. Now, I fix this here. I also fix this here. The light will not come up. Do you know why? Let me tell you why. Because right now the water is pumping. When the water gets full, this light, this LED will come up. Can you see everything? So now This is being inserted into a tank, for example, and this wire will be outside the reservoir. Then this is inside the tank. The water is coming up, is coming up, is coming up. Mind you, this is adjuster, which you can adjust. Let me show you. Let me remove it and show you. This is adjuster, and it's everything here is made of plastic so that it will not contaminate the water. When we work with standard, and we open room for suggestion, and we did that earlier on, and they gave us suggestion of not using metal so that it will not contaminate the water. We should be mindful of the materials we use to produce it. So we go ahead to make sure that everything in this thing is made of plastic, because plastic doesn't contaminate. So I'll fix it right now. After fixing it, so I have attached my adjuster right here. So when the water comes up, it will push this floater now. When the floater goes up, it will close the circuit and the light has come up, right? Now when the water gets low, the light will off, meaning that the pump is pumping. And when the water gets full, the pump will stop automatically. Have you seen it? So that's the concept of Hydrolynk. Now you can purchase it. It's just 30,000 naira. We have our website where you can get more information about our products. Make sure you click, share, like, and comment. Thank you very much.